Hey everybody, Mr. Gibson here. So for this assignment, we're going to pretend as if a new element has been discovered and you are on the task force to figure out where this element should go on the periodic table. Okay, and the way you're going to answer this question is with a CER. So you're going to make a claim as to where the element should go. You're going to provide evidence and reasoning. Now, let me show you where you're going to get your evidence and where you're going to write your CER. You're going to open this PDF here. Okay, you're going to open it with Kami, and it gives you kind of the scenario here with the new element. So you're going to make a claim that locates a new element on the periodic table. You can just say, hey, it goes below this element, or to the left of this element, or above this element, okay? And in your reasoning, you're going to want to describe the pattern or trend in each model that I'm getting ready to show you, and how that helped you relate to where the new element should go. Okay, so here's what we know about the element. We know its mass number is 304. We know it has a very low ionization energy. It bonds easily with other elements. Its melting point is that. Has the smallest electronegativity. It's predictably the largest atomic radius. And it has high metallic character, and it's silver in color. Now, some of this information is going to be really useful. Some of it's not going to be useful at all. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep all of this in mind, and you're going to look at these periodic tables. Okay, these are super useful, and this is also a big part of your test, is being able to use periodic tables like this. So check it out. This one shows you all the mass numbers, so you can see the mass numbers increasing as you go left to right and top to bottom. And the highest mass number we know of is 294. Now look back up here. This new element has a mass number of 304, so it's the heaviest element. Okay. We also have this. It says electronegativity. Okay, you can tell electronegativity is really high up here in this top left corner, really low. It's actually at its lowest in this bottom left corner. Notice what it says about electronegativity here. Okay, so this is all pointing to where it should go. Ionization energy has the same trend as electronegativity, really high up here in the top right corner, really low in the bottom left corner. Metallic character is actually the opposite. It increases as you go down and to the left. So the elements with really high metallic character are down here. Same for atomic radius. Elements with the really big atomic radius are down here. So you have the trends and how they behave. You don't necessarily have to know what these mean. You may have no clue in the world what ionization energy is, and that's totally okay for this assignment, because you don't need to know in order to place this on the periodic table. You just need to know how ionization energy is related to the periodic table and what the ionization energy of the element is. Same for electronegativity and all that stuff. So again, you're going to use this. You're going to use these periodic tables, and you're going to make a claim that says, I think this element should go here. And you tell me where it goes. You can say below this element, or, you don't have to, yeah, you can tell me relative to other elements. Your evidence is going to be the parts of these that helped you figure out where it went. So if it being silver didn't help you, then don't put that in your evidence. But if it's having a really small electronegativity did help you, then you'll copy that bullet point into your evidence. Okay, and then in your reasoning, you're just going to basically explain what you see in these charts here, or these periodic tables with the trends, and explain how that helped you develop your claim. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Again, this is a hook, so if you're not totally perfect on your CER right now, that's okay. You're gonna have time to work on this, but I do think you have all the information here to make a really good CER and to get the right answer. Okay, if you guys need any help or have any questions, let me know. Good luck.